Another spate of threatening emails has caused widespread disruption and unease across parts of the country today.
More than 70 organisations have now reported receiving threats since yesterday morning, including schools, hospitals, courthouses and places of worship. Lucy Thompson has more.
The gates remained closed at many Auckland schools today, and students were asked to stay at home after further threatening emails were received in the early hours of this morning.
Yeah, it's so unsettling for the students who have had 3 years of disruption.
Browns, Murray's and Mairangi Bay schools were among more than 30 affected, with Orewa College also forced to close, impacting around 100 students who were supposed to sit end-of-year NCEA exams.
There's a category called emergency grades process, so in an emergency, which obviously today we deem to be, the school will make an application to NZQA on behalf of all those students who are entered in all of those exams today.
Police say they do not believe there is any actual threat to organisations receiving the emails and are confident those being received are from the same source. And it wasn't just schools that were affected this morning. The High Court in Auckland and Nelson District Courts were also evacuated due to threats, as were some places of worship. Gregory Pearce says schools are more prepared than ever for these events, and it's something companies and organisations alike will need to monitor closely in the future.
We all the time have to come up with sustainable systems in response to these challenges. But as I've said, I think it's a national issue, it's an organisational issue, not just an educational issue. And it's going to require a lot of resourcing and quite a highly technical area of expertise, I suspect.
Police are continuing their inquiries into the origin of the emails and ask anyone who receives one to report it. Lucy Thompson, News Hub.